Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Riniverse, aka Rini, and we're gonna take a little break on the whole traveling in the outside world and touching grass to opening another blind box because I am a sucker for blind box things as you can tell from every single vlog that you watch. Today, as you can see in the title, I got something very exciting because I've been wanting this for the longest time ever since I saw it on YouTube, and it's been really hard to find these. I finally got is Mickey and Family keychains, plush keychains to be precise. I haven't seen these ever in Australia. I've always seen them in America, UK, Japan. I never see them in Australia, and I saw these and I'm like, I need the full set. So we are gonna see if we're having the full set or missing a set, because the secret is Huey, Dewey, and Louie. I'm just super excited to own these because I love Disney. Disney is my favorite. We will get started. I'm super happy. These are what you can get. You got like Donald, Daisy, Mickey, Minnie, and the other side is like Chip and Dale, and then we got like Pluto and Goofy. Let's just get started. Let's not delay the inevitable. Goodbye, seal. You're probably like worth a lot, but I like to open things, so we are opening it together. Dun, 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 dun. Look how pretty they are. This is what the box looks like, the individual box. You get like Mickey at the front. You get what you can get in the sides of the box. And all around is like a Mickey theme. Let's go. Let's just get started. Alright, our first one of the day. Da, da, da. I really want like Daisy and Donald. I kind of don't want this secret, but if I do, that'd be pretty cool. You know the drill. We are not looking at cards, and this is what the bag looks like. It's just kind of white. Open it up, and what do we get? Da, 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 da. Ooh, I got, oh my god, I'm gonna get this wrong. I keep getting like Chip and Dale wrong, so I got Dale. This is what the card looks like. I got Dale. Look how cute he is. It's so chubby cheeks. That's so adorable. It is like very, very happy. I'm like a happy camper. No matter what I get, we're gonna be happy all around. I'm just gonna put you there for now. Next one is, I'm just gonna do this one. Open it up and, ooh, I got Minnie. Look how cute you are. It's a little like bent about the edges, but look how cute she is. She has like little shoes. Got her little bow, her little dress. This is what she has at the back, and when you hang her, it's like this. She's so pretty. Aww, I do like her. Let you vibe though. Okay, next is you. Let's number 3. Oh, I forgot to show you the card. That's what the card looks like, and I just noticed they have like their signature at the bottom. That's so cool. And our third character is da, 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 da. Oh, I got your husband, boyfriend. Let's go, Mickey. You got also shoes, kind of like plasticky. You got the shorts. You're so fluffy. I'm gonna put you next to Minnie because you can't live without. Alrighty, next one is, let's just finish off the middle parts. So, middle time. Okay, number 4. I forgot about it. So this is Mickey's character card. Has his signature at the bottom. And the 4th character is dun, 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 dun. Ooh, it is Chip. So I got the 2 buddies. They're back again. Let's go. You also have chubby cheeks, which is very cute. And also, this is what the back looks like. I know I'm saying cute a lot, but they're very, very cute, okay? You're just gonna vibe here because I can't separate these guys. Oh, I'm so glad I got these. I nearly bought them at eBay, like this entire box. So I'm glad that I held my ground. We're gonna go with the right side of the bottom? Let's go with number 5. One of these is gonna be in here. I'm praying for Donald, and I forgot to show you the card. This is Chip. Chip with its own signature. We got Daisy, the fashionista. Let's go. You got your little shoes and your little top. And ooh, you got your bracelet as well. And you got your little bow. Oh my god, look how cute you are. You're just gonna vibe here real quick. Yeah, I'm running out of space. Since I got Daisy, Donald has to be next, right? Daisy's card, it looks like this. And her signature is kind of like at the bottom as well. 6th character. Okay, Donald. Donald, you're gonna be in here, right? Because I found your girlfriend, right? Here's to Donald. Donald, appear. Yes, sirree. We got Donald! Look how cute he is! Although, his outfit is like different than everybody else's. Oh, same with Daisy actually. There's like stitched into the doll itself, while the other ones are kind of like loosely. Or maybe I haven't noticed until now. But he is number 1. I have his signature. I have each of these signature except for Daisy, Chip and Dale. I have their signature because I went to the cruise, the Disney cruise. But look how cute, his little hat, his little bow. That is so precious. He owns like a boathouse in my Dreamlight Valley game. Just gonna put you there. And the card for Donald is this one. He is so happy in this photo, and his signature is at the bottom as always. 2 more to go, aka Pluto and Goofy were missing. I'm gonna guess the next one's gonna be Goofy. So we're gonna choose the left one. Goofy or Pluto appear. Speaking about Goofy, hello Goofy. Oh, look at his face though. His face is like either done with life or too tired, or I don't know, but he's so goofy. I love it. Look at his little hat. I cannot stop fangirling over these ones. It's just me and Disney. Look at his little shoes. His shoes is like, you can move them if you like. His ear is so fluffy. Let's just put you there. Okay, we're having a little family going on. Here's the card for Goofy. Has his signature at the bottom. This last box is gonna be either Pluto or the secret. We're hoping for Pluto, but I don't mind the secret if it's there. Here is the final bag that we'll ever do for this set. Our final one is dun, 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 dun. It is Pluto. Oh, look how happy you are. Every one of these is so happy, but look at you. You're so adorable with your little tail, and you have like paws at the bottom. That is so cute. Oh my god. And thus the family is here. Well, one big happy family, you know? And also, the final card we're gonna look at today, Pluto's card. Pluto's card with the Pluto signature. So that is it for a little unboxing. I hope that you guys all enjoyed me fangirling over Disney and the Disney characters. I hope that you guys enjoy my next adventure, whatever that will be. Either me touching grass again or me just unboxing things again. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.